Hello my dear student, I welcome you all to the maths class. So in today's class we are going to start with the new chapter, that is chapter 3, data handling. Alright, so in our day-to-day life we might have been come across information such as runs made by a batsman in last 10 matches, number of wickets taken by a bowler in last 10 ODI, marks scored by the student of your class in mathematics unit test, right? Similarly, we come across the various temperature in different city, different state, right? So this all information collected in such cases is called data. All right. So data is a collection of numbers gathered to give some information. Okay. So I hope you have got the information or the idea about data, right? So what is now handling? Now handling of the data is something arrangement of the information in some pictorial view or in some graphical view. I'll show you the example. Here the data are represented in a pictograph manner or a picture or in a pictorial view the information is given. Okay, so you can see from in the month January to February flowers are represented in such a manner that each flower is representing 100 flowers. So 100, 100 and 100, 300. Actually this is collected, this information which is collected in a tabular form is known as data handling. Alright, so this form is a pictograph or a pictorial information collection of a data. Okay, data may also be represented in the form of a graph. So the process of or the method of collection of the data and its representation or the arrangement is known as a data handling. Alright. So student, after having the knowledge of a data and its handling process, we shall come to know about the new term, that is arithmetic mean, which is very important, which is included in your chapter. Alright. So what is arithmetic mean? Let us learn. The arithmetic mean, or simply called average. You have heard this term average. What is the average marks obtained by a student? What is the average marks you got in maths? So it is another term for average is your arithmetic mean, or simply mean we will refer, or average is the ratio of all the observation to the total number of observation. Here we have the formula to calculate the mean, which you have to remember, and using this formula we are going to solve the exercise problem given in the book. Okay, so the formula is to find the mean sum of all the observation divided by total number of observation. Okay, sum of all the observation divided by number of observation will be a arithmetic mean. All right. After having a knowledge of a arithmetic mean, we have another important term here is range. What is range? Let us learn. Range is the difference between the highest and the lowest observation. So it is nothing but a difference means the minus, yes, the difference between the highest observation and the lowest observation. So over here the observation is done. Alright, so in this observation, what is the highest number or the observation? It is 9. And what is the lowest observation? It is 3. So what is the range? 9 minus 3. To calculate the range, you should know the formula, that is highest observation minus lowest observation. So it is, so in this case the range is 1, 6. Alright. So student, using the concept of arithmetic mean, using the concept of a range, whatever I have explained you till now, using this concept we are going to solve the exercise given in the chapter. Alright. So before starting the exercise, I want you all to go through this properly, understand the meaning of the arithmetic mean, understand the meaning of the range, so that it will be easy for you all to understand the chapter or the exercise given in the chapter. Alright. So student, if you have understood the thing properly, so let us start now solving exercise 3.1 without any delay. Alright. Student, here we have the first question from exercise 3.1. Alright. So you have to find the range of the height of any 10 student of your class. Okay. So in your class, among the 10 student, you have to find the range. First of all, to find the range, first of all, you need to have the height of the 10 student of your class, right? So we will write like this. Let us assume height. We will not write this height in the foot. We will or inches. We will write in centimeter. It will be easy for you people to calculate the range. Okay. So of 10 students of our class. So you are doing, that's why I have written our class. Okay. So let us assume the height of 10 student. I'm assuming at in class 7 at around starting from 130 the height ranges. So 130, 132, say 135, 140, 143, 148. Maximum should be 150. 150. So I have not written the number in between, so I can write 139 also. Okay. So 139. I could have written this in the ascending form. Okay. So let us write this in ascending form only. That will be better for you. Okay. So 135, then 137. Let's write 139, then 140, then 142, 143, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, then 145, then 148. Okay, so I hope it is 10. It is of 10 student. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right. So you have to write the height of the 10 student. So I have written the assumed value and I have written the 10 student height in centimeter form. Okay. By observing the above mentioned values, the highest. So you all know how to find the range. To find the range, you should know the formula, that is highest observation. It is the difference of highest observation minus difference, no? So highest observation minus lowest observation. So it's not that you have to write this value only. So the value may be differ, because in different class, in different state, this value differ, right? So the highest observation is among this is 148, right? So and the lowest observation is, or the lowest value in this, or the lowest height, the one which is very smaller is 130. It is 140 minus 38. It is 30 is 18 centimeter. So the range of the height in your class should be 18 centimeter if you take this, or if you assume this value. Okay, I hope you have understood this. So with this, we are over with question number 1. Student, proceeding further, we have question number 2 from exercise 3.1. That is to organize the following marks in a class assessment in a tabular form. So the marks are given over here: 4, 6, 7, 5, 3. This is also the number here: 5, 4, 5, 2, 6. So the following numbers are given. Okay, marks are given. So first question you have to do is, which number is the highest? Okay, which number is the lowest? What is the range of the data? Find the arithmetic mean. So first and foremost thing, you have to arrange this number or marks in the tabular form, in the ascending form. Remember, in the ascending form, from the smallest to the largest number. If you skip that part, that will be a big mistake. Okay, so you should not do that mistake. So again, I'm repeating, you should keep the number, given number, in the tabular form in the ascending order. Okay, not in descending. It should be in ascending or descending order. Okay, it's your choice, ascending or descending order, but there should be one order. Okay, so let us start doing. So student, first of all, we are going to arrange this number in the ascending order. So starting, what is the smallest number here? 1. Any other 1 is there? No. So after that, 1 is 2, then 2 is there. So 2, 2, 3, 4, 4, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 is there, and 6, 3 6 are there. 1, 2, 3, sorry, 4 6 are there, because 1, 2, 3, 4 6 are there. Then how many 7? 1, 2 7 are there. Alright, then 1 8, no other 8, then extra biggest number we have is 9 here. So this number is now arranged in the ascending order. We will draw the frequency table. Remember, the frequency table is basically what we called when we are representing any, when we are drawing any table, we are saying that table as a frequency table. Okay, the given data should be placed in the frequency table. So let us draw the frequency table also. So student, in this manner we will draw our table first. Okay, so marks is given in the question, so I have written, we'll first write marks, then write the tally marks, and then the frequency. That is why it is a frequency table. Okay, so starting from the smallest number we will write, because this is arranged in ascending order. So 1, 2, after 1 2 comes. Don't write 2 again and again, because this 2 we have to represent how many times it is there. That is called frequency, how many times the number is getting repeated. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, then 9. Okay, see, okay, then 1 is how many times? It is 1 time, so tally mark will be 1. Okay, so 2 is how many times? 1 2 time, so 1 2. And 3 is how many times? 3 is again 1 time. 4 is how many times? 1 2 3 times, so 1 2 3. 5 is how many times? 1 2 3 4 5 times it is. So write 1. So 5, how to write 5? So you have to understand this. Okay, 1 2 3 4, then cut this, right? This will be marked as a 5. Okay, similarly 6 is how many times? 4 times, so write 1 2 3 4 in a tally mark. 7 is 2 times, 1 2. 8 is 1, and 9 is 1. Alright, so with this tally mark we will write the frequency of the 1, frequency of 2 also. So 1 it is, 2, 1, it is 3, it is 5. This represents your 5. If you have to write 6, then we will write 5. Then after that we will continue writing that 1 2 3. Okay, so do not get confused. So 5 will be written in such a manner. So it is 4, 2, 1, then it is 1. 9 is how many times? It is 1 time. So this is your frequency. I repeat again, frequency of any given number is such that how many times the number is getting repeated. Suppose 1 is 1 time, 2 is 2 times, 3 is 1 time. You have 4. How many 4 are there? 3 4 are there. So this 3, this 1, this 2, this 5 is actually representing the frequency of the given mark. Okay, so I hope you have understood this. So now we have to solve the question given in the problem. So first and foremost question is, which number is the highest? So you can easily see that from 1 to 9, which is the highest? Of course, it's the largest number. So highest number is 9. Okay, so from the given you can write, by observing the table clearly the highest number among the given data is 9. Okay, so next question we have, which number is the lowest? So in the given table 1 is the smallest number, so you can write 1 over here. Okay, so what is the range of the data? So you know what is, how to calculate the range. Range is highest value minus lowest observation or the value. Highest observation is 9 and the lowest value is 1. So 9 minus 1 is 8. So your range is 8. Okay, how to find the arithmetic mean? To find the arithmetic mean, you should have the knowledge of the formula, right? So its formula is sum of all observation divided by total number of observation, right? So what is the sum of all observation here? So so starting with this number, you have to write all number given in the question. So 1 plus 2 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. 3 4 is there, so again 1 2 3 4 5 is there, no? So 1 2 3 4 5, then plus 6 plus 6 plus 3 4 6, 1 2 3 4 6. So how many 6 I have written? 3 6 over here, then 1 6 more, 1 more 6, then 7 plus 8 plus 9. So again you can count how many times it is there. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 16 17 18 19 20. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20. Okay, so this is the sum of all observation. You have to add this and you have to get the sum of all observation. Now total number of observation, how many observation are there in total? It is how many? 20. Because how many? Just now you have counted that it is, I have counted it is 20, right? So this is the total number of observation. Alright, I hope you have understood now how to get the sum of all observation and then how to write the total number of observation. So when you plus this, I have already added, you may add by your own also. Okay, so when you add this, you will get 100 and divided by 20. So sum of all the observation is 100 and total number of observation is, so when you divide this, you will get 25 is 100. So your arithmetic mean is 5. So with this we are over with 4 questions. You have got the highest number, lowest number, as well as the range, as well as the arithmetic mean also. Alright, so student, with this question we are over with question number 2 also. Let us proceed question number 3. Student, here we have the question number 3, that is to find the mean of first 5 whole number. Alright, so in the first class, when we have started with chapter 1 integer, I have told you what is whole number, what is natural number, what is odd number, what is even number, right? So this will be a home assignment. You have to find the mean or arithmetic mean by using the formula. This will be a home assignment. Okay, so you'll try to do it yourself. Okay, if there will be any problem, you will comment in the comment section. Okay, so this much for today. See you in the next class. Till then, stay safe and healthy, and do not forget to do your home assignment. Okay, thank you everyone.